bird watch. Wow. You're missing out. But yeah, bird watch is fun. How are y'all? Doing real good, actually. I'm great. What are y'all doing? Some bird watching. Bird watching. Yeah, bird. They need to grab them?
Bird watching, so why you need to film cars and us?
Well, anybody here approaches this is going to report it because the gate, you know, it's out here. You don't have a hawk over here, you had a couple mockingbirds. Yeah, one blue jay. Y'all remember bird watch? That's crazy. Huh?
We're looking for the elusive snipes. You seen them yet?
Yeah, you're on with snipe hunting?
Luna, get off the bird. Y'all want to see what a snipe looks like?
I can take the snipe hunting if you want to go.
Uh-oh, he's got the phone.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe y'all ain't never went bird watching before, man. This shit's awesome. It really is. It's a lot of patience. Yeah, you gotta stay out here a long time to see some birds.
One eternity later.
They called the cops on us, everyone. We're already gone.
That's crazy. privy to give that information out. I mean, you're not nobody I need to tell my name to.
Just curious, we used to have people come and take our pictures.
You're not used to it?
No.
Wow.
Shoot, you've been here 180 something years and
that's crazy. Nobody ever had cameras over here. That's messed up.
That's strange.
I don't know.
Well, yeah.
That's because if
That's
the
great.
employees posted, they can't go no fire.
Heard some bad stuff was going on here at your plant. That's why we out here.
We're just doing an investigation.
People that used to work here.
We're doing an investigation on this
Talking
property.
about working in the flooded zone.
Yeah, what about all the water that they had to work in? I bet you don't. I bet you don't.
Don't play that. That's why y'all got your own septic tank pump truck. You got a septic tank pump truck that goes into the building every so often and pumps out the water because it gets too flooded.
Is that true, sir?
Never heard. Nobody's ever complained about the water in your plant. Are you serious?
Of course I'm not gonna complain about it.
We're talking about the massive amounts of flooding that goes on inside the property. That's why we're here. We're here gathering information on your plant.
That's dangerous. Dangerous working conditions. Yeah, you gonna address that? I can't hear you. You got to speak up, sir. We got cars zooming by here. You understand, but you're not speaking up, though. It don't matter who you speak with. Public. We're people out here in public. All right, we concerned citizens about the people working in this plant. Is that not good enough?
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Why? Are you going to address these issues?
I'm asking you to tell me who you are.
Why does that matter? We concerned citizens about the people in this plant working. Are you going to address this issue, sir? What different? I'm concerned about the workers in your plant.
I doubt that.
You doubt that? Why do you think we're here then? Bird watching?
Let's get his tags.
Yeah.
He's calling the cops, everyone.
Yeah, look at it.
Let him call the cops. I'm doing crap.
Out here is some human resources. I ain't think he's gonna get my tag. The tag says Pittsburgh on it, baby. Now he's on the phone. Now he's on the phone.
You know, this place has actually got like a 2.5-star rating.
That's why we're here. All right, guys. This guy's from Human Resources. We have complaints about the poor working conditions at this plant here. It's McCall Farms in South Carolina. This guy here don't really care to address these issues. He keeps asking who we are. We keep telling him we concerned citizens. So now he's calling the police. I forgot what he said his name was.
I couldn't hear it.
I know, right? I told him to speak up, but it didn't.
Careful with traffic.
Watch him just pull something illegal. Look, pull something illegal. Guy on camera. You go to the stoplight up there.
You take a right? That wind is cutting up. I apologize for the wind, guys. I can't do nothing about it.
Hey, y'all want a picture of me?
It's firing on TYRANT.
Y'all want a picture of me? Can I help you?
Can I help you?
I'm just here. I'll work at this plant. Just wondering what y'all was doing.
I'm just wondering what you're doing.
Just coming to check to see what's happening on our property.
That's what I'm doing. Coming to check and see what's happening.
Okay, so just like that. Okay.
It's like what?
I don't know. I was just coming out here to be nice, but I mean, again, I don't know what you're doing, and
I don't know what you're doing.
Well, okay, that's fine.
My daddy told me not to talk to strangers. Yeah, and you're a stranger to me. Yeah, so go back to work.
We gotta start over because the Rona came in.
Luna, get off the bird. Not Miss. Last night.
Rona.
Well,
Rona, go see your papa.
No, that would be good. Like